Rally Argentina is always very special, no? Because it's really nice rally, really good atmosphere, nice stages, and also people speak Spanish, so it's very close. Of course, last year was difficult. Was a lot of rain before, so the stages are a little bit broken with a lot of stones. But normally there are always the same stages, so we know a little bit. Some places are a little bit rough, but the other places are very nice.
From what I can remember, it's getting more and more rough and more hard for the cars. We have seen many people retiring due to mechanical issues. Otherwise, the weather and especially the fog is the biggest issue because the visibility most of the time is very bad. We are running in a time where the weather is most of the time rainy there, so tire choices can be important as well.
Yeah, obviously it's one of them. One of the rallies we really look forward to and enjoy with the spectators, and the atmosphere is second to none. I remember we did the event once in 2011 when we did the PWRC, and I got good memories. We had a good win there, but I also remember the rally being quite rough, and it's probably one event where you really have to look after the car and treat it more as an endurance event rather than a sprint. So it'll be tough, but again, this first part of the season is all about learning for us, and that will continue in Argentina.
Rally Argentina is a very special rally. It's a rally with a lot of spectators. It's in fact a rally where the most of the people are on the side of the roads. The rally this year is a little bit earlier than before, so the stages should be a little bit drier. So it will be other conditions than we have seen in the past years.
Hyundai.